More and more enterprises are modernizing their infrastructure by moving to the cloud and adopting DevOps as a way to deliver better software faster and more reliably. Thanks to our friends on the DevOps research and assessment team, we know that, on average, the best performing organizations see a higher deployment frequency, have less lead time for changes, have a lower change failure rate, and take less time to restore services after a failure. A big part of excelling at these 4 key metrics is having a robust and effective continuous delivery pipeline in place. If your software development team is developing and delivering container-based applications on GKE, that can be challenging, especially when you've got dozens or even hundreds of pipelines across multiple environments. Introducing Cloud Deploy, a streamlined, fully managed continuous delivery solution for GKE. Cloud Deploy addresses these challenges in 3 ways. It's fully managed and scalable, it has built-in security controls, and it integrates with your existing DevOps ecosystem. Since it's fully managed service, that means there's no expensive infrastructure to set up or maintain for your GKE continuous delivery pipeline. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Cloud Deploy scales your continuous delivery process seamlessly and manages it via a simple declarative configuration. And however your operation scales, you can have a centralized view of all of your pipelines, releases, and deployments across all of your Google Cloud projects. Cloud Deploy was designed with safety and security in mind. By leveraging IAM for easily defined and granular access controls, you'll be able to designate the right people to manage release promotions and roll out or roll back changes to each environment with a few quick clicks. And Cloud Deploy provides audit logs right out of the box, enabling you to meet your regulatory and compliance goals as you scale your release velocity. Cloud Deploy is designed to work with your existing DevOps ecosystem of products. Cloud Deploy functionality is accessible via CLI or API, and is able to integrate with popular tools that you already love, like Cloud Build and Jenkins for continuous integration. Cloud Deploy also brings scaffold to your pipelines, improving the reliability of pipelines by insulating them from changes to your toolchain and application architecture. Does that sound good? Well, you can learn more about Cloud Deploy by checking out cloud.google.com/deploy.